Meaning of different.
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 Different. Different refers to something that is not the same as something else. It indicates a contrast or variation between two or more things, either in terms of appearance, behavior, characteristics, or qualities. The concept of different is essential to differentiating and classifying objects, ideas, and perspectives. It enables people to recognize diversity, create distinctions, compare and analyze complex phenomena, and generate new insights. Ultimately, understanding and embracing different can foster mutual respect, empathy, and creativity, enriching our personal and collective experiences.